Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the JioFi device JMR815. So now the newer devices, they do not have JioFi 2 or 3 or 4 or anything written like that. Now it's just the model number. So ideally, if you count the versions, then this is the 5th version. So a lot of people call it as, if you go to the store, even they will call this as the JioFi 5 device. So let's go ahead, open it up. Now the reason why I bought this is because my previous one, I was using it at home for regular internet, so it was connected to the router, connected to the power regularly, and then I was taking it through USB and then putting it into the router and then giving it to the entire house. So I was happy with that, but because of that, the battery actually expanded, so I could not use this anymore. The battery is giving me trouble because it's not recommended to keep it on charging 24 hours. So you'll have to charge it. Once it's fully charged, remove it. So that's the problem that I faced. So because of that, now I have to get a new one. So I wanted something different. So this time they've come out with a different shape altogether. Now let's get the unboxing knife. Let's open this up. Now that's the new shape. So it's completely round. It looks like a compact that women used to normally do makeup. It exactly, actually the shape and size is almost the same. Now the different thing is the indicators are no longer on the top. All the indicators, the buttons are on the sides. So we'll be talking about that later on. Let's see what all do you get with this. Okay. Okay, let's see what's written on the box. Okay, so it says create your own hotspot, connect up to 31 devices, 3000 mAh battery. So that's good. Like this one had 2000 something mAh battery. Now this has 3000 mAh battery. The capacity has increased. Wireless sharing through SD card. The same feature is available on this also. HD video calling. Voice calling through the device itself. So you can use the device, give internet to any phone, and from the phone you can install the Jio 4G app and then use it to call anyone like a regular phone, in case you have a phone which is not 4G. And okay, so a lot of digital services that you'll get. So anyone who owns Jio knows the amount of digital services you get. Okay, the same thing written on the other side. Let's move this aside. Let's look at the battery now. Now this is the exciting thing. Now this is a huge battery. Now it's a big battery, 3000 mAh. Now the charger, let me see if it's a 1 amp or something else. Okay, so it's a regular 1 ampere charger. So it's not a fast charging kind of thing. So regular charging, everything is regular. Let's look at the USB cable. Okay, so almost, yeah, so it's 1 meter. So a small USB cable, not that long, but that's okay. You just need it to charge. The quality of the wire is okay, not that great. Like if you compare it with Samsung and all, you're not going to like this that much, but it's okay. Okay, let's take a look at the pamphlet. Now normally they are the same that you get with all the Jio devices. So one shows you how to connect. So basically this will show you all the layout. So SIM and the SD card, how to put that in. It shows the USB connector, talks about the power button, WPS button, battery indicator, network signal strength indicator, and then the Wi-Fi indicator. Now at the bottom, this is where all the information is stored. So basically when you switch it on for the first time, this will give you a model number. So you'll have a model number there. That's how you'll recognize the JioFi device. And then there's a password. Now the password is not the same for all the devices. Every device has a separate password. So whenever you reset the device, it goes back to that password. So for the first time when you connect to it, you'll have to put in that password which is at the back. So I'll not show you my password, but it's written over here. So just put in that password and then log in. So that's basically it. Okay, so there is a reset switch also. That's over here. So that's the reset switch. Okay, now let's understand what does the light indicate. So green obviously is solid in battery. Blue means that it's somewhere in medium, and red means it's low. Now in network signal, now green is solid, good signal strength, blue is average, and then red is bad. Now Wi-Fi has two colors, blue and green. Blue means it's on but nothing is connected, no device is connected to the JioFi device, but green means that one or more devices are connected to the JioFi device. So that's basically it. This tells you about the warranty and this tells you about Jio 4G voice. So this is the app that you'll have to install on your non 4G or 4G phones to use the Jio calling feature through the JioFi device. So there are a lot of videos on how to do this. It's pretty simple. You just have to install the app and then set up the JioFi device with your app, and then that's it. Then you will start getting calls on your regular phone. So that's pretty easy. In case if you want me to make a video on that, you can tell me, I'll make a video on that, but there are lots of them already online. So that's it with the pamphlet. Now let's go ahead and set up the JioFi device. Okay, to set up the JioFi device, first of all, you have to put in the SIM over here and then the memory card over here. So I've already done that. Then remember the username and password. Username you don't need, but remember the password. So I've already taken another phone, taken a picture of it so I can remember the password. Now I put in the battery and now I close the cover. Now while you close the cover, since it's round, now you can put it anyways, but you have to make sure that you put it over here. So this notch, there's a slight notch over here. It says design in India. There's a notch here. Align that notch with this one like that and then press it. That's it. It's done. Now let's put on the device. So you have power button here. Keep it pressed. And that's it. It's on. Now you see a red light. Now that's normal. Whether your battery is full or not full, it'll always start with a red light. Now it'll check the battery and then the battery signal will change. So it takes some time. Let's wait for it. Okay, network signal light has come up. Okay, so now it shows you the battery is green, so it's full. The network signal has come up. Now ideally in this area, in this room where I shoot, the network signal is average. So now you see a blue one. Now now it's gone to green. Okay, good. So I get high speed now. Okay, gone to blue. Okay, so the Wi-Fi signal has also come up. That means that the Wi-Fi is on, ready to connect, but no devices are connected right now. So let's go ahead and connect to the device. Okay, JioFi. So this is what you will see. JioFi 108EC8F. Now it will ask for the password. Now the password is what is written at the back. So I already have it clicked on another phone. So let me put in the password first. Okay, so I've put in the password and I've connected. So now it shows that I'm connected. So that's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and set up the JioFi device. Now to do that, first we have to go to the home page. The home page is jiofi.local.html. That's the that's the URL that you have to go to. You can use the Safari browser or Chrome browser or Internet Explorer, any one of them. It doesn't matter. So you just have to log into that, and then let me just show you. Okay, and then you have to log in. On top there's a login logout option, so you have to log in. It'll ask for a password. The password is username and password is administrator and administrator. So the username is also administrator, password is also administrator. Put that in and you log in. Now this is for the first time. Once you log in, then you have to change everything, because that's going to be the common thing with everyone. So if anyone else has your device in their hand, they can also log in with the same username, password, and then use it. So first I'll have to go into network and go into Wi-Fi settings. Now you'll see something called SSID. So that's the name of your router. So I'll go there and I'll rename it to Ken Knows More. That's it. Once that's done, now I'll have to change the password. So the default password is already there, but I'm going to change it. I'm going to put something else over there. That's the last one, network key. That's where the password is. So I'll put in the password. Okay, so once I put in the password, I hit the apply button at the bottom. Now it will say the Wi-Fi is going to restart and all this is going to happen. Okay, done. So now the Wi-Fi is going to restart. Let's see here. Okay, nothing has happened as yet. Okay, it's gone. Now you see that the signal has gone to green, so that means it's not connected anymore. Okay, so now let's go ahead and connect to the new one. Now this is the new name now, Ken Knows More. So before it had JioFi something as the router's name. Now it's Ken Knows More. So I'll go into Ken Knows More. It'll ask me for the password. I'll put in the password. Okay, so I put in the password and I'm connected. So that's it. That's how you set up your JioFi device or personalize it for yourself. So this is the same process that's going to be for the JioFi 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, whichever you feel like. All of them have the same homepage. So you can change it that way. Now the memory card option, I'll be talking about that later on. I'll be making a separate video on the memory card one. There's a lot of misconception. People think that they can just use it as a regular storage with the phone, but no, it doesn't work that way. It works in a very different way. So I'll be making a video on that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.